basic package. Now the basic package is there for anyone who wants an introduction into the electrical trade, or someone who's already doing small electrical work and need to have qualifications to prove their competence. It's not a long course, it's very short, and you'll get the right sort of installation training and the right sort of qualifications to prove your competence at the end of the package. If you want further details, please look down at learntradeskills.co.uk or call 01 992 413 503 and we'll be more than happy to help you.